Hello everyone, Shoot with PJ here, and today guys, we'll be fixing my first ever na Air Pro. It's Impact Sports. So right now, dahil it's been a long time na I'm using this, if you notice, kinakover ko na lang ng target board tape kasi it's starting to brittle na yung leaderette niya na cover dito. So right now, one time doon ako sa range na notice ko na talagang nagano na siya, nagbe-brittle na siya sa loob. So I want to let you see kung ano nangyari. So after nung nalaman ko na it's starting to get brittle, I'm now starting to try to check kung ano yung parang mas magandang gawin. So I ordered something from Lazada and I wanna share this to you. Baka you also have the same problem with me. The more na nagluma yung leaderette niya, it will start to, yan, tingnan nyo dito, see, yun, that's the problem. So if you notice, yung sa target hip na ginamit ko, nagdidikit na yung tela niya. So I know that sooner it will be more kasi parang nag-expire na siya. But actually, itong Impact Sports na Air Pro, talagang solid at durable siya. Kasi it's been a lot, ilang years na ginagamit ko, but wala actually problema sa system niya. But ang unang nag-give up is yung leaderette niya dito. So right now guys, I want to introduce to you this, nabili ko to, it's Earmore. Okay, it's Earmore cover sleeve para dito sa upper na niya, headband. Okay, so ito na siya. Mayroon tong multicam, meron ding brown, but black yung binili ko kasi it's really it's really simple and bagay siya sa Air Pro ko. So guys, if you have the same problem with my Air Pro, yung leaderette niya nag-expire na, I think it's high time to buy now this kind of sleeve para to protect. This is how to install. Okay, so just spread it up ganito. Okay, then close. So normal talaga to guys kasi alam naman natin na it's really magbibrittle talaga yung natin, leaderette. So hopefully ma-fix natin through this tela na binili natin. Okay, so first tingnan nyo, I just inserted it. So it's a velcro system, so madali lang. First you fold the half part and after that isama na natin yung sa labas. Okay, so dito maganda kasi mayroong mini foam dyan. It's big, it will be comfortable sa head mo. Tapos it will lock in na sturdy kasi yung niya naman dito sa other side, it's velcro. So mag-i-in place talaga siya. Okay, so tingnan natin. You need to parang talagang iipit mo siya ng fit na fit. Okay. So ito na. So fit up. So yun. Okay, so this is actually my first time to fit this, but maybe later I will also take some options na baka mas maganda kung kunin natin yung yung inside na tela talaga na leaderette. So right now, if you will look at here, okay naman, pero medyo bulky siya. But maybe later I will try lang na i-fit ko na with no leaderette. So in my next video probably I'll be cutting off this part para ang nasa wrap talaga niya is ito na lang, Earmor. Okay, so this is our Earmor. So if i-fit ko lang mamaya, and I'll just show you. Okay, so parang ano talaga siya, medyo a little bit bulky kasi makapal, but comfortable. Dito meron, if you have a carabiner, pwede mo to i-lock in sa belt mo. Then meron siya mga utility na mga straps where you can also put some probably headlights or whatever accessories you have. Okay, so for now, Earmor para sa headband natin sa AirPro natin. That's for now. Thank you for watching, and please comment below if you have any experience in having this kind of accessory for your AirPro, and also if what kind of, you can also comment below what kind of ear protector, electric AirPro ang ginagamit mo for shooting real steel. So comment below, you can send to me your pics, and if you have any question, maybe in my next video I'll try to answer it. God bless everyone. Shoot when ready.